My name is Dave Murphy. I'm a regional manager with 360 Yield Center. I cover the state of Wisconsin and then also north and central Illinois. Today we're going to talk about yield savers. We know that putting a tool like this into an operation is going to cost more than a standard OEM chain. So in a typical situation, we would reduce the head shelling, just the head shelling alone, by 80%. So in average corn, average to wet corn, that results in a 2 bushel savings. In my opinion, as your corn dries through the teens in moisture, the number goes much higher than that 2 bushel. So we'll just take average math at 2 bushel savings. So in an example of an 8-row head, a farmer that harvests 1,200 acres of corn per year, that works out to exactly 150 acres per row. And that's the average bristle life that we see on yield saver brushes. So the first year, that grower buys a yield saver chain and brushes included for $600. The second year, he's reached his average wear life on the brushes. He replaces just the brushes with a brush kit for $275. And then the same again the third year, another $275 brush kit. That brings his total investment over an 8-row head to $9,200 over the 3 years. But what has he saved along the way? What is his return? So harvesting 1,200 acres per year and saving 2 bushels on every one of them, he puts an additional 7,200 bushels in his grain tank over the course of 3 years. If he markets those extra bushels right at the elevator at a cash price of $3.50, and the corn price doesn't go up over those 3 years and he remains at $3.50, he's got a total return of $25,200. Minus the $9,200 that he paid for all of his hardware over the 3 years, that's an easy $16,000 return on investment over the 3 years. We haven't seen that kind of math in row crop agriculture in the Midwest for a long time. We understand that they cost more, we understand the benefits and how to set them up appropriately, but getting our head wrapped around that return on investment math is so much more important than just visually not seeing the kernels. Sure, the visual feeling is great, but putting the extra dollars in our pocket in a time when the markets aren't giving us very much to work with is a really important benefit.